nice sound, guys.
Very noisy birds.
The birds.
Yeah. Like a parrots. Yeah.
Like a parrot, eh?
Yeah. You hear that?
Rain is coming. Let's go, honeybee. Let's go, honeybee. Kiss me. Kiss me, kiss me, baby. We go down here and then walk there or straight? Yeah.
I'm not sure. Try me.
Never mind. Wild Sands. We cannot go there.
No. How you going to go down?
Here?
Yeah, it's quite deep and dead. No, further down.
Yeah, maybe have a police. Not allow close road. That is a wild sand, guys. Wild sands. People fishing there, over there. And we go back to the car park. Going down, down, down. You see, guys, very beautiful landscaping here. This is a nature. Very beautiful. Oh, the cars is there. We can park there, baby. But we don't know the... Yeah?
We're going to have some rain, I think.
No, it's clear. Finish. Maybe tonight. But in the news is... Why the ship like this, baby?
Oh, because June. June means that.
Ah, so they called wild sands here. You see, they covered wood. Before they made a wood here.
There was a path here. The rabbits will destroy the path.
Let's go, guys. Go back to the car park. Sand Jones.
No, it's a rabbit. Destroy everything.
This is it. Shipping sands. Don't drill. Amazing. What is this? Stone?
Yeah, archaeological for a, you know, for a boat. Archaeological here.
Return Mars orchid. Oh, orchid, wild orchids.
They find here those secrets revealed.
Wow, amazing. Let's go, baby. Honeybee, let's go. Hold my hand.
No. Not too much.
I'm filming. Eee. 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 I'm filming. Eee. Beautiful place. Eee.
Okay, here.
Eee. Beautiful place. Eee. 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 God is great. Ganda ng ginawa ni Lord, guys. Para sa atin. very beautiful nature. I like this place because very cool and quiet.
What's this here? Heather.
Either we are from there.
From
And
here.
then you see, maybe all this cover the snow.
Yeah.
You can walk there, oh, baby. Seaside.
Oh, difficult. Where's the
Black.
cat? Where's the cat?
Black. Ah, I always see
Yeah, we also.
the birds, oh.
Go here.
The birds, oh. The fish. You go down.
Yeah,
We go
you
down.
cannot go there. It's a bird, dead bird.
Where? Where? Let's go.
Not there.
Oh, that's the fish.
You have to jump.
Careful, my darling. Be careful, my darling.
My hand not free.
Yahoo! Bye for now. They have a stone there. Maybe they have underground there.
Wood.
Huh?
What's that? It's a wood.
Yeah, wood. We walk around the lake, like a lake. You're not comfortable to walk there? Your shoes? This side or this side? Not water. Oh, a lot of mussel here, baby. Baby. Mussels die. Baby, oh. Babe. A lot of mussels. Oh. Ah, really? Yeah, baby, only here. Oh, yeah. They broke the... That's yummy, baby. That's yummy. Huh. That? Yeah. Crab, shells, all's dead. But they're all broken. Why they all broken now, baby? Wow. Maybe the seagull, no? Here, baby, here. Yeah. Hold me.
No, I cannot hold it.
This side, follow me. This all a stone.
Oh, sorry.
Oh. Here, there, baby. You walk this, have a stone. Oh my goodness. So how come? They have a car here, Sorby. Here, baby. Smelly here. Baby. Smelly. We come back there up. Cannot see the view. If you hear, yeah? Yeah, not nice. Maybe here, oh, maybe can. Have kami.